Hey guys, going to do a review of some stock trades this morning. Basically, AGBA went up, and if you'd have had 4 or 5 minutes, then you might have gotten that. But it was on very high shares very quickly, and then hopefully nobody bought this wick. Anyway, it started downtrending, so I'm going to show you how I look at that. It's downtrending right here until it stops downtrending. If you want to see the secret again, around 50%, it'll start rebounding. So basically, when it made up, down, shallower, I took this trade target 1 in pre, took it again here in pre, took it one more time here in pre, because basically it was over VWAP each time, bounced on VWAP, went back up to target 1, but that was the barrier that we needed more volume to break, and that happened at the open. It dipped down, couldn't find any lower shares, so it had to go up, and it basically went up to target 2. And the reason I have target 2 is I chart the first run up. Here's your target 2, and here's your down break, and here is the new fibs for this one. So I will draw it right here actively, and we will see. And yes, it's already done target 1, and we will see what it's doing right near AGBA. Anyway, we're moving on. TRX, again, I don't do these. Yeah, look at this, very choppy on the way up, so I don't trade that. BPTH, perfect breakout trade over the little highs of the pre-market right before the open. It was uptrending the whole time right here. And here was your shelf. That was the area I kept saying, but I did not take that trade, and I think it was during the algo, so I don't touch it. And then here was your new basically barrier right here. So right here, if you went over the highs, that's where I draw the fibs. Went back up. It's bouncing off VWAP again. I don't know how much more it can bounce on that without downfalling, but definitely that was a thing, and maybe it got some shorts stuck in here. So if it really breaks out, it could break out because it is a low float of a 800K, and it's probably going to happen right here. So right here, if it breaks out over this 645 area convincingly, then it will go, and if it doesn't, no big deal. It's just testing the same area right here, and that you're just going to find out. It's going to pop or not pop. So if you want a little more conviction, basically it is making higher lows the whole time though. So just check that out. We're going to move on to, I think, a couple other ones here. Yeah, Cent, again, penny stock, I don't do it, but it made some money. So if you had some money on this, it was pretty good. I mean, you tripled your money. I think it was at 2 or 3 cents yesterday. So SEPA, just looking at a couple other Holo, I think some people expected it. I did get this move right here. Going to show you the move I got. I got my target 1 trade right here after the big collapse. You're just looking for a rebound and waited for this candle to close, waited for this to open and break this. Got my target 1 pretty good. Right here, it did it again. If you wanted to see, this is probably the best backwards scalp I've ever seen. If you want to learn that, just call me. That's a very easy pop right there. I'm going to get rid of these things, and you'll see a target 1 again, just going to VWAP test all the time. So it's trying. It's a super low float, but you know, when there's another one out on the market, people are just going to keep looking at that. Let's look back at that. It's grinding. It's grinding. It's still, you know, buyers are in control, but this little certain angle, I don't like it. If it goes, it goes. It's going to go without me. Because the volume is not as big as the other volumes earlier today. So that's just one of my aspects of looking at it. Real quick, I'm going to look at it at 5 real quick, see if it looks any different. I ain't touching it. So, all right, y'all have a good day. Just wanted to go through some charts with you real quick. If you need any one-on-one help, please reach out. I'd be glad to help you. You'll see a lot of things just a little simpler. All right, so y'all have a good day. Thank you so much.